Within BrightPay, you can print, email and export your payslips once your pay period has been finalised. To print your payslips, simply click the Print Payslips button on the menu bar within the Payroll tab. On the left-hand side, select the employees for whom you wish to print payslips. Several options for selecting which employees to print are available by clicking the Select By button. Next, select your payslip design from the drop-down menu. To further customize your payslip before printing, click the Options button on the right-hand side. This allows you to add or remove certain information on the payslip. For example, add a company logo or remove the payment method details. To preview the payslips before printing, simply select Print Preview, then select Print when ready. To email the payslips to your employees, click the Email Payslips button on the menu bar within the Payroll tab. The list to the left will show the employees you have an email address on file for. Use this list to select which employees you want to email payslips to. You can also edit these payslips before emailing by clicking the Options button on the right-hand side. On the right-hand side, enter a Reply To email address. This is a mandatory field, and a valid email address must be entered before the emails can be sent. If required, more than one CC email address can also be entered in the box below. Enter a subject of your choice for your emails, either by manually typing this in or by using the Smart Text options. Likewise, enter a description to accompany the payslip if desired. If you would like to password protect the payslip, simply tick this box. Employee passwords must be entered beforehand within the HR section of their employee record for the payslip to be password protected. Password protection is recommended. When ready to email the payslips, click Send Emails. And lastly, to export your payslips, click the Export Payslips button on the menu toolbar. On the left-hand side, select the employees for whom you wish to export payslips. And just like with printing and emailing, you can customize the payslips by using the Options button. Select a location where you would like to export your payslips to and enter a file name. If you would like to password protect the payslips, simply tick the box provided. When ready, click Export. A confirmation message will appear when the export has been completed.